Hello everyone, I'll show you how to create a label that displays the product name, price, barcode, logo. This data will be dynamic and taken from an Excel file. At the end, we will print these labels on different types of printers and papers, such as regular self-adhesive sheets and thermal printer. To do this, I use the label design and printing software AzureLabel. Let's get started. Let's close the open template so it doesn't distract us. This is optional, and you can keep any number of templates open. Click Add and select New Template. The template catalog window will open. Let's create a new folder called My Folder and select it to place our new template in it. Let's name our template My Label. The program offers to connect data from our Excel file to our label right now. This is optional, and you can do it later at any time. We will choose to connect to the data source right now. I will use the Excel sample file from AzureLabel as a data source. Let's take a look at the contents of this file. The file contains columns such as SKU, product name, brand, barcode, price, description, and others. Please note that your file may contain columns with different names. However, the process of creating a label template will remain the same. Go back to the program and click Yes. By default, a connection with the type Excel file is created. You can change the data source type at any time, for example, to CSV file or any other available type in the program. Let's choose our Excel file. Go to the Data Fields tab and click Read All Data Fields from the source. All the columns from our file have been added to the Data Fields list. Let's check the data reading from the file. Click Test Load. All data from our file has been successfully read. The data source connection setup is complete. Click OK. Set the label dimensions. In our case, it will be 3 inches by 2. Click OK and click Load Data from Source. At the bottom of the program window, data loaded from our Excel file will appear. Now let's make our label display our data. Drag the brand data field to the template's free space. Select the text type. Set the element size and font size. Let's add our logo. We will use a background image. Select an image from the file. Drag the SKU data field to the template's free space. Select the text type. Set the element size and font size. Drag the name data field to the template's free space. Select the text type. Set the element size and set auto font size to fit. Drag the barcode data field to the template's free space. Select the barcode type. Select the UPCA barcode type and click Select. Set the barcode size. Drag the price data field to the template's free space. Select the text type. Set the element size and set auto font size to fit. Align the price to the left. Add a $sign. Set the alignment to the right. Let's add a QR code with a link to our website. Let's add the packaging symbol Keep Dry. Let's enlarge the logo a little. Now let's see how our template will display data from various rows of our Excel file. Let's print our labels. As an example, for the first row of our file, we will print 2 labels, and for the remaining rows, we will print 1 label per row. We will also not print a label for the 3rd row. Click on the preview. Choose a regular printer and print our labels on a regular sheet of paper by clicking Print. We can also print labels on adhesive label sheets. Open the preview. Choose the desired layout of adhesive labels. And click Print. Now let's print these labels on a thermal printer. Select the thermal printer and click Print. Congratulations! You have designed and printed labels using the label design and printing software AzureLabel.